We have 3 large ABB pick and pack robots behind me here. Their function is to pick and place and make bundles of tube prior to banding, warehousing and dispatch out to our customers.
Sure, so we make square, rectangular and round pipes here on site. With the square and rectangular, of course, the bundle will end up being a square or rectangular shape. With the circulars, they'll be a hexagonal style shape. So again, the robot's pre-configured, it knows what to do, it knows how big the tubes are, and it will offset itself automatically and pick and place to suit the pre-configured bundle arrangement.
Some of our other facilities have older style bundling equipment, which involves rolling of tubes and placing with tines and bits and pieces. Generally, a couple of people involved in the process at various sites, whereas here these generally operate without too much intervention from any operational personnel.
Safety is a major benefit using robots. In our other sites, it's a lot more manual role.
Things they do well are the repeatability and cleanliness of the packs that they create. And one of the big advantages here is they're actually quite quiet. So noise is an issue for this site.
But as far as maintaining the robots, we've had minimal intervention. The BlueScope Robotics team have been excellent when we have had some help required.
For all the different shapes and sizes of products that we make, we have preloaded recipes that exist in the automation system.
From an operator's point of view, they'll load the recipe, watch the first pack come out. If it's all okay, they can walk away. Everybody likes to look at them. They're very exciting machines to see when they're running well.